That's fancy, isn't it?
Welcome to Taste 20-Minute Dinners, where we'll get dinner on the table for the family in 20 minutes.
Or less.
Matt, do you have us covered?
Yes, I think so. We're going to do 3 different pastas, and this is built around a simple Italian Napoli sauce, and then we're going to customize it either with bacon to turn into a matriciana or with chili to turn into an arrabbiata or an angry sauce. The thing that's going to take the longest, I reckon, is boiling the water. So use the kettle. That's going to get the water boiling very quickly. So we've got 3 litres of boiling water here, Shelley. The only other thing I need to do is to season it. You want your pasta water to be as salty as the sea. So this pasta is going to take about 8 minutes to cook. We'll probably take it off at 7 to leave a little bit of bite to it.
Okay, it's time to add battens of speck. We're going to add them to a pan. We're going to crisp them up.
Yeah, so the speck's going to take about 6 minutes to cook.
Yep.
We're now going to make a really simple Napoli or tomato sauce.
Yep, so we'll add some oil to there. Add a heap of garlic. There we go. Look at that. It smells amazing. Just going to add the passata, and all you need to do is warm that through. And that's your Napoli sauce done. That's already almost done. Your pasta's nearly done.
So the pasta's cooked perfectly, off the heat, and I've got a little trick to show you. Pasta bowl's in the sink. We're going to drain the pasta into the colander over those bowls. The hot pasta water is going to do 2 things. 1, it's going to heat the bowls, so you don't need to preheat them. 2, we're going to save some pasta water for emulsifying the sauce.
Just a touch of butter going in, and that will melt and coat all that pasta. Okay, so we're going to add Matt's half a cup of water that he saved.
Yeah, that's probably
into there. You know what I love though? When you add the pasta sauce to the pasta, it helps the pasta and the sauce kind of come together in one dish.
So, Shelley, we've got our spaghetti dressed with Napoli sauce. We've got our bacon crispy lardons, which we add, then this Napoli sauce becomes a matriciana. Or we could add this chili soaked in oil to make it an arrabbiata or a spicy pasta. Or you could have everything. Also, lots of grated parmesan.
Here we go.
It's just so simple and so quick and so tasty. I love that. For this recipe and more 20-minute dinners, go to taste.com.au.